try kayo no? Ano na? Oh, ano na buwan? Dito. So we're here at Buffet 101 here, and then that was Cebu City. Yeah, there's a lot of food in here. Then I'll show you around. I get the sweet. Actually, I already done with my main course, but I'll show you everything around. Let's see. So these are the main course. They have the stir fry.
Apil mo ko sa kanan ng lamig kayo.
Ano dito?
Ako apil ka lamig.
Oh, I didn't see this one. I'll chicken like. Wow, candle smell. Whoa. So, isa din siya. What is this? It's a pork soup, Chinese style. Miso soup. Ah, okay. There's some kind of. Wow, it smells like beef. And if you want lobster, that's really bad. So we're not done yet with the main course. So these are the main course. This one is a fried little fish ball. And there's no king dough pork ribs, chop suey. Yeah, and we have this one, the chicken, spicy fried seafood tofu. And this one is my favorite actually. I eat a lot of this, and this is really delicious. I really like to eat this one. I think I need to grab for the third time around since I done it. This is really tastes good. Yes, I really like the taste and the texture of the. I think this one is a tuna or salmon. There you go, and they also have the butter chicken, fish fillet, which is rice.